Good morning. Welcome to the Dodd Ranch. This is Everett. Say hi. We're about to go drive the John Deere. Are you ready to go drive the grain tractor?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's go. So we're just going to walk down to the barn first, over here.
There's a trampoline.
That's right. That's the trampoline.
We're going in the big green one.
That's right. Today we're doing the big green one.
Why are we not putting in the black one?
The little black one? Well, that's a good, we're going to not do that one right now. You want to push the gate open?
Yeah.
You got to push it this way.
Why not push that one?
Guys, we got to get everything opened. I mean, you know, what's better than a boy in this tractor? I mean, this is great. Okay. So this is the big one. Yeah, your smile says it all, that's for sure. Okay, so these are the earplugs first. We got to put our ears in. And here's how you do it. We just have to push them in like this and stuff them in there if we can.
I can't fight.
They feel kind of funny, don't they? Yeah, they feel like marshmallows in your ears.
Towards me? Other way.
Okay. Can you still hear okay?
Can you hear me?
You can still hear, right?
But it's a little quieter?
Yeah.
Okay, then you'll know why in just a second. Here we go. Now, we're going to start this thing up. Are you ready?
Uh-huh.
How about that? Good so far? All right. Here we go. We're going to lift up the rear. All right, we're going to back this thing out. What we're looking at is the tiller. So Everett, what is this? It's called the tiller, right? What's in here? These things that turn, we're gonna turn them on in a second.
Yeah.
These are the tines and they chop up the ground. So that's what we're gonna do,
They
okay?
jump up. That's you.
That's very true. So let's go do it, okay? Now we're gonna start this up again. Now what we're gonna do is push this little button over here. Good job. Now look what's happening in the back. Look down there. Yeah, it's huge. It's gonna go round and round. Right? So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put this, I'm gonna put this down. You see what my hands over here? I'm gonna lower this down into the dirt. Okay. We're gonna go forward, put this in gear, and we're gonna tilt. we got something stuck back there. Let's go take a look, okay? Okay, we're gonna go check this out. See the dirt? It's been chopped up, right? Because that dirt over here has not been chopped up, but this over here has. So let's go look over here. What happened? Well, it looks like there's a tree branch stuck on this thing. What are we gonna do about that?
We have to get out.
That's right. So let's just grab this thing. Oh, that's a pretty good sized tree branch. And maybe we should just take it over here and put it in this pile. All right. Applejack will take care of that. All right. That was easy. Oh, are they falling out? Okay, is that better? There we go. Tractors are loud. See this big rock right here? We're gonna take that and put it over there. So Everett, we can see the rock right up there, okay? So we're gonna go forward to the rock. Applejack's gonna put this down here. There we can see. All right. So let's see where our rock is. There it is. Well, I think what we need to do is just kind of push it in the bucket right now, okay? So we're just gonna push it in.
Here's one.
There's one too. Good job.
Here's one. Here's one.
You found them all. Okay, let's go move that rock now. Well, we're finding lots of rocks. Oh, here's another one. Look, Applejack got one. Good deal.
Here's one.
Boy, there's a lot. We'll put it in the bucket. That's great.
Now we tap on the
And you're going to start this thing, aren't you? Can you get it? Okay, let's do it this way. Ready? Together. Put your hand on it. 3, 2, 1. Now what we got to do? Nope, not that thing. We're going to lift the bucket. So pull it down. Whoop, whoop, whoop. It only goes so far. And I'm going to tilt it backwards to hold the rocks. Here we go. Oops, forgot to put the drive on. All right, here we go. Where we're going to go. Kind of a bumpy thing, isn't it? Alright. Now this is the part where we're going to dump it out. Are you ready? So we're going to watch the rock go out of the tray right there. And hold on. We're going to push this way. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Watch the rocks. Watch the rocks. Look at that. So all the rocks are gone out of there on the dirt now.
I can get this side.
You are getting down that side. Be careful.
Yeah.
There's more stuff down here to fall down on, right? That's okay.
It's a spider web.
That is a spider web. Okay, buddy. Let's get over here. Whoa. Come on. Just walk right across. Very good. Now our rock was way up in here, and now it's on the ground right there. I see it.
Well, let's still get some more rocks.
There's lots more rocks. Here's the rock we moved right there.
Yeah. And he sees some more rocks.
That's right. We can just put those right there. We're building a bridge.
Oh.
Very good. That's awesome.
And this one's. Look at this one.
Look at that.
I don't like it in the bucket.
Almost. Let's don't throw rocks at Applejade's tractor though, okay? Yeah, that's perfectly fine. I like the fact that you thought of that.
Oh, a big one.
Yes.
I'm going into the bucket.
No, we can't throw it in the bucket. I'm sorry. But it's really cool that you thought of it.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah, this hill is really something. Okay, you want to go see the really pretty view of the property?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go look up this hill. Come on, hold my hand up here.
No.
Everything looks smaller down here, doesn't it, up here? Like the tractor looks smaller, and the house looks smaller. It's nice up here, huh?
Now let's go down now.
Okay, we're going down. All right, so we've tilled up some soil, and we have dumped a rock out, and we're gonna take this thing back to the barn. Are you ready? Okay. Ready to turn it off? Okay, turn it off. This way. Wow, we did it. Let's put the brake on so we won't go anywhere, okay? Okay, that brake is on. Well, it's time to get down now.
Time to get down.
Yeah.
That noise. Sometimes we can go on that one.
Well, that's the other one we can mow with. That one does some great job mowing. So tell me let's show what we did, okay? So look, right here what did we use? We used this tiller. And what do those things do? What do they do? They turn, right? So let me kind of push it with my hands. So it turn a little bit. And what does it do when it turns to the dirt? Does it chop the dirt?
To the back. Come to the back.
Oh, okay.
Let's open it.
Yeah, we can open this door and kind of look inside. That's as far as it goes right there.
Yeah.
So that is a very good looking tiller.
Well, let's get on the table.
No, I'm not going to get on that thing. But you know what we do have to do? We have to put it down on the ground. So let's do that, okay? So I want you to climb up here and do this lever by yourself, okay?
Where's the lever? This is.
Well, this time what we're going to do is we're going to move this lever. You see the numbers at the bottom? We have to move it from 9 all the way down to 1.
This one?
Yes. So we're going to pull that down. I'm going to watch you. Okay, ready? Okay, go. Keep going. You did it. Now let's go see what you did.
I can get down.
Of course.
Can I get down this way?
Not that way.
I can.
All right, now what happened to this?
Go down.
That's right. It was tall, now it's not.
Tall.
Well, we'll have to do that later, okay? But that's what we did. Now it's safe, so it won't fall on anybody.
Yeah.
So let's go inside, okay, and tell everybody what we did.